Hello there, I am Chris Palmer with chrispalmer.org. In this video, I'd love to answer for you who should be utilizing guest post backlinks and how should they be utilized. So guest post backlinks is when I need power to a specific page, something I am specifically going to promote. So for instance, if I'm building citations, that's bulk. You get 60 or 50 of them, right? For a modest sum, you get bulk. Now, so that's bulk. Now, if I want to be laser precise by not only utilizing specific anchor text, but I'm also building high authority to a specific page on my website in order to get the referring domain count up. And I can buy as many as I want, use whatever anchor text I want, at whatever volumes, at whatever velocity. You have full control, full power. So this is how they're utilized. It's to be laser precise with anchor text, velocity, and power to a specific page that you want to rank. I want to rank for a specific term, then I build guest posts to that page at a velocity of your choosing, at a power level of your choosing, right to that page. I'm being precise. This is how you use them. If I need 10 DR50s that contain a specific anchor text, why? Because I'm looking at my competition and I can see that, they have 5 DR50s with this anchor text. All right, let's totally crush them. Let's just dominate this market. We're going to build 10 with this anchor text at equivalent power to our page. This is how you utilize the guest posting service. Guest posting service is to be precise, to be able to control the beginning until the end to a specific page. This is how you use a guest posting service. So I'm Chris Palmer with chrispalmer.org. This is how you utilize guest posting. It's in order to send very specific power to a very specific page at a specific velocity that you control. That's guest posting. So with that being said, I'm Chris Palmer with chrispalmer.org, and I'll see you at the store. Have a great day. Bye-bye.